I'm Brad Callen, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create your very own doodle video in the next 60 seconds. Doodle videos, just like the one you're watching right now. It's called Doodly, and it's our push-button doodle software that allows anyone, regardless of tech skills, to create highly engaging, professional doodle videos in a matter of minutes. In whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, and even glassboard. Now, chances are you're here because you wanted to find a way to create doodle videos without spending $200 to $500 per minute of video, and let's face it, no video is just a minute long. The one you're watching right now is a hair over 5 minutes long, so it would cost you anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 to get made, and it shouldn't be like that. With the way technology is, creating a doodle video should be easy, and you should be able to create your own doodle video in just a matter of a few minutes. And if you're still watching this video, you already know how powerful and highly engaging doodle videos are, and you know just how much it can help boost your conversions and increase engagement for your business. That's why I started the project that's now called Doodly. My team and I worked for over a year to create a solution to our problem, a solution that we could use in our marketing, a solution that we knew would increase conversions while maintaining a professional and creative solution, and a solution that we know you can use to create your next video in a matter of minutes. But we knew that we'd have to overcome a lot of objections. We know there are a lot of these doodle video creators in the market, so I know the first question you're probably going to ask is, how is Doodly different than the others? Instead of just telling you about it, I want to do a full demo of how simple and easy yet powerful Doodly is. So let's jump right in. Alright, so we're here inside the Doodly app, and as you can see, it's super easy to use. It's also available for both Mac and PC. Now let's go ahead and create our first video by clicking on the style we want. You can choose from either whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, or even glassboard videos, giving you lots of control over the style of video that you can create. In this example, we'll create a nice looking whiteboard video. As soon as you start, you're going to notice that you can customize your own doodle videos with our done for you scenes, our hundreds of characters, our collection of props and images, our royalty-free music, and even text. And yes, you can upload your own images, props, fonts, and music. Now, to create your own doodle video, it's really simple. First, we pick an image, then we grab a prop, we put it together, resize it, layer it, and voila, we have Steve reading his book on his chair. Oh, and we have a bunch of really cool settings available too. Different hands or none at all, scene transitions with even camera panning, and our smart erase mode as well to continue to provide the realistic feel that you're looking for. Plus, with our easy to use timeline, you can drag and drop scenes as you wish. Add sound by simply choosing from our huge royalty-free library or upload your own. Oh, and when you upload your own image, you can create cool draw paths like this. Using our enhanced doodle draw technology, you can create realistic drawing movements on any image, regardless if you uploaded it or you use one of the ones we offer. Our goal is simple. We want to provide you with a way to easily create realistic professional doodles. When you're done, you can export your video in a variety of sizes, formats, and quality right to your computer, and you're ready to go. Now, as you can see, we've really taken the doodle videos to the next level with this software, and we're really excited to see what you can do with it. And the best part, anyone can create a video, regardless of your technical skills or your experience. So if you're ready to start creating your next doodle video, we can help you get started in the next 60 seconds. The decision is yours, but it's an easy one to make. So go ahead and click on the button below this video to get started. We really look forward to seeing the videos you create and helping you increase your conversions, your sales, and your leads. Doodly is going to give you that unfair advantage over your competitors. The button is right below this video, so grab your copy of Doodly today and we'll see you on the other side.
Hi, my name is Hans and I'm a Doodly user. I've been using Doodly for approximately 3 months. Initially when I started and I saw the product being advertised on Facebook, I was very skeptical. I must say I'm very happy. I use it in my marketing videos and it definitely adds to my creativity in my marketing videos and advertisement. And Doodly constantly updates and upgrades features. The latest feature that I'm using quite often now as well is the Instagram and the Facebook. Thank you very much, Doodly, and I'm looking forward to new features.
Hi, I'm Bonnie Riviere with B-Maxine Productions. We produce online and social media marketing videos. A few months ago, I had an attorney client ask for a drawn-out video. I had seen whiteboard animation before, but I hadn't done it yet. So I went on my search. I searched several that had about 3 or 4 top contenders. Doodly was one of them, of course. Did the free trial on all of them, and Doodly just by far exceeded all of them with the characters, the props, the scenes, the music, everything covered, everything that I needed for this particular client and a second client, and they are blown away with what I can produce with this product, and I'm so happy with it. Thank you, Doodly, for making me look like a rock star.
Hi, my name is Melissa and I am with Keller Williams Realty. I'm a real estate agent and I use Doodly all the time just to have different engaging videos that are different than what other agents are doing out there. Once you learn how to do it, it's simple to use. I think it's an awesome program and I encourage everyone out there to invest the small amount in Doodly and make your business grow. Bye.
Hey there, I'm Dex Williams from sellingsystems.ca, where I help business owners to increase their sales by 30% or more in as little as 30 days. And I like to use Doodly to create educational sales videos that help me to showcase exactly how I'm able to help business owners in a way that keeps them engaged and is very memorable. So if you're looking for a whiteboard or animation software, you can't go wrong with Doodly.
You know what's really awesome about Doodly is I cannot draw a straight line to save my life, and everyone here at my institution thinks I'm a freaking genius and just cannot figure out how I made that video. Is that your hand? How do you do that? I mean, really smart people that should know there's a tool for it have no idea, and they think I'm a genius. And that's why Doodly is the best frickin' software in the universe.
Hi, I'm Charlie Martin. I'm an artist, illustrator, and designer, and I'm fairly new to Doodly. So the first thing I like about Doodly is the fact that it was easy to learn. Right away, I made my first video, I uploaded it to social media, and I was able to share my work with my friends. So that takes me to my second thing. I like the fact that I can customize. So being an artist, I can take my own artwork, plug it in, put it into that content, bring it into the application, and all of a sudden I'm making something that is completely original to me. So I like that. That helps me a lot. Thank you for that. So I look forward to what's going on with this application and what's, all the changes that have taken place. Oh, by the way, number 3, the fact that in a short time there have been multiple upgrades and additions to just ways to do things better and easier. So thank you for that. So I'm a huge fan of Doodly. Keep doing what you're doing. Thumbs up, Doodly.
Hello everyone, I am JD Webster, the Executive Vice President for 180 Healthcare. We started using Doodly just recently for whiteboard video production. We've been paying ridiculous amounts of money for whiteboard videos so we can do advertising and marketing. We looked at a new solution. Doodly was the solution. We've started using the product, like I said, just a few months ago, and the results have been dramatic. I am not computer savvy, but we've been able to produce really high-end, excellent looking videos. The characters, the animations, everything about it is just awesome, and it is changing our social media game as well as our website advertising game. So if you're thinking about having a different solution, a different way to do some marketing, fun and exciting things that people watch, definitely download this software. This is the best thing that we've been able to do. Thank you.